Want to make your home smarter without lifting a finger? These clever Amazon smart home gadgets take care of the little things, so you can focus on what matters. From lights that follow your routine to devices that respond to your voice, convenience is just a tap away. All product links are in the description below. Toilet scrubbing just got a major upgrade. This clever little robot does the dirty work for you, literally. It attaches securely above the bowl and gets to work, scrubbing every corner from the rim to the drain without you lifting a finger. The brush is the only part that touches the toilet, so the body stays clean and germ-free. It's portable, hygienic, and makes bathroom cleaning way less gross. Your spices just got their own Ferris wheel. This rotating rack holds 18 glass jars and spins smoothly, so you can grab what you need in seconds. It's sturdy, compact, and adds a playful touch to your countertop. Each jar is easy to clean and refill, keeping your seasonings fresh and organized. A fun way to save space and make cooking a little more exciting. This is more than just a sink, it's a smart kitchen upgrade. With dual waterfall features, a digital temperature display, and even a built-in cup washer, it brings serious function to your countertop. The wide curtain flow rinses dishes fast, while the pull-out faucet and wood-cutting board add chef-level convenience. Everything's designed to save time and mess. You'll actually enjoy cleanup with a setup like this. Movie night just leveled up. This mini projector may fit in your hand, but it delivers big screen magic anywhere you go. With smart autofocus and screen adjustment, it sets itself up in seconds. No tinkering needed. You get crisp visuals, rich colors, and booming sound from dual speakers. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Android TV are built right in, so you can stream, play, and relax with zero hassle. Dinner just got way more fun and way more convenient. This expandable Lazy Susan is made for rectangular and oblong tables. It rotates smoothly so everyone can reach their favorite dish without the awkward arm stretch. Add extra trays to fit bigger tables, and when you're done, it packs up in minutes. Heat-resistant, non-slip, and party-ready, it's a total game changer for gatherings. Your couch just got smarter. This multifunctional armrest slips between cushions and instantly transforms your lounging setup. It's got a wireless charging stand for your phone, built-in LED reading light with adjustable brightness, roomy storage for remotes, and even cup holders. Everything's right within arm's reach. No more digging between cushions. The fabric's soft, durable, and easy to clean. This is more than a bed. It's your entire room in one. Built like a comfort command center, it comes with a mini fridge, microwave, pop-out charger, and drawers on every side for ultimate storage. There's a pull-out laptop table, cozy built-in lights, and it even transforms into a sofa when you need it. Whether you're chilling, working, or binge-watching, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Trash day just got a lot smarter. This sleek kitchen bin separates your waste, recycling, and compost, all in one compact unit. It's got 2 roomy compartments, a removable food caddy, and even a carbon filter in the lid to trap odors before they spread. The vertical design saves space, while hidden bag hooks and vented buckets make swapping liners easy. Clean, organized, and way less smelly. Lighting that listens to you? Yes, please. These smart bulbs bring millions of colors and cozy whites to any room, and you control it all from your phone or with your voice. Set the mood, schedule routines, or sync it to your day. It's all customizable. Want focused lighting for work or warm tones to relax? Just a tap away. No rewiring, no fuss, just screw them in and go. Why clutter your nightstand when one gadget can do it all? This clever lamp is an alarm clock, wireless charger, RGB mood light, and desk lamp in one sleek design. Tap to dim the light, change colors, or activate snooze when you're not quite ready to get up. The soft silicone shade gives off a warm, glare-free glow. It's the ultimate bedside buddy, functional, fun, and totally relaxing. Big furniture, tiny wheels, huge difference. These low-profile swivel casters stick right onto bins, baskets, or appliances to make moving them a breeze. They rotate 360 degrees, support up to 110 pounds per set, and don't raise the height too much. Installation is quick with either adhesive pads or screws. Ideal for anything from underbed storage to kitchen gadgets. Once you add wheels, you'll wonder how you lived without them. Chips going stale? Not on your watch. This pocket-sized bag sealer lets you reseal snack bags in seconds. No preheating, no fuss. One end seals, the other cuts, so you can tidy up your kitchen and keep food fresh at the same time. It's lightweight, magnetic, and even comes with a lanyard for hanging. Perfect for anyone tired of twist ties and stale crackers. Say goodbye to shower clutter for good. This triple wall-mounted dispenser keeps your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash all in one sleek spot. No more juggling slippery bottles. Each pump gives just the right amount, and the wide top makes refills a breeze. It even has built-in hooks for your razor or loofah. Rust-proof and easy to clean, it's a smart upgrade that keeps your shower space neat and stress-free. Sit how you want. Stay comfortable all day. This ergonomic chair is made for cross-legged sitting with a wide cushioned seat, 360-degree swivel, and adjustable height to match your favorite position. The crescent-shaped backrest offers strong lumbar support, and the teddy fabric feels soft and cozy without trapping heat. It's perfect for focused work, meditation, or just lounging creatively. These motion-sensing under-cabinet lights snap on the moment you walk by, giving you instant visibility in kitchens, closets, or stairways. Choose from warm, natural, or cool white to match the mood, and dim them to your liking. They recharge fast, mount magnetically or with adhesive, and even come with a remote. Plus, the included charging station keeps all 6 powered and organized. Forget slippery bars and messy soap dishes. This wall-mounted soap grinder turns solid soap into soft powder with just a twist. Easy to use, easy to clean. It keeps your counters clear and your hands clean, all while making your soap last longer. Perfect for sinks in the kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room. It mounts easily with no tools required, and it's a clever upgrade for any hand washing station. No more stumbling in the dark. These solar-powered step lights brighten up your stairs, deck, or walkway with a warm, inviting glow. They charge during the day and switch on automatically at dusk. No wires, no effort. Rain, snow, or shine, they're built to handle it all. Just stick them on or screw them in and enjoy safer steps and cozy vibes all night long. Meet the kitchen assistant that basically does it all. This Bellender blends, steams, stirs, and even browns quietly. Its massive 10-inch touchscreen and step-by-step cooking guide make meals feel effortless. With 45% more steaming space and full control through open cooking mode, you can tweak recipes just like you would by hand. It's sleek, smart, and seriously powerful without making a sound. Got a solo DIY job on your hands? These compact hand-lifting jacks give you serious muscle without needing a second person. Whether you're installing cabinets, adjusting windows, or leveling doors, they raise heavy materials smoothly and precisely. No strain, no wobble. With sturdy steel construction and a solid 360-pound capacity, they're built for repeat use. Just press, lift, and position like a pro. Imagine typing on thin air, and it works! This nifty gadget projects a full virtual keyboard onto any flat surface, so you can type, swipe, and click with ease. It even doubles as a wireless mouse, letting you control your cursor with simple swipes and taps. Small, light, and battery-powered, you carry it in your pocket and set it up in seconds. Whether you're working on the go or clearing clutter, this laser keyboard lets you type anywhere, anytime. Chopping veggies doesn't have to feel like a chore. This all-in-one slicer, dicer, and wedger gives you fast, uniform cuts with a simple push. From onions and eggs to fruits and potatoes, you'll get perfectly prepped ingredients in seconds, no tears or mess. 4 interchangeable blades let you cube, slice, or wedge like a pro, and the container keeps everything neat. Not all dumbbells are clunky and boring. These look great and get the job done. Each one adjusts to 4 different weights, so you can dial up the challenge as you go. The anti-slip grip keeps things steady, and the flat sides mean they won't roll away mid-workout. Setup is quick and safe, with a locking system that holds everything tight. Great for full-body training right from your home. No gym required. Love a glass of wine but don't want to finish the bottle? This clever gadget lets you pour without ever pulling the cork. It keeps the rest of your wine fresh for weeks, even months, so every glass tastes just as good as the first. Just insert, press, and pour with one smooth motion. Whether you're savoring a single sip or hosting friends, this tool makes wine drinking totally on your terms. Organizing gets way more fun when your labels actually look good. This pocket-sized printer connects to your phone and prints custom stickers in seconds. No ink needed. From candle jars and clothing tags to shipping labels and price stickers, it handles it all with clean, high-res results. Just load the paper, design in the app, and print with a tap. Pouring snacks from a torn chip bag? There's a smarter way. These clip-on spouts seal your bags tight while giving you a built-in pour spout, so food stays fresh and mess-free. Just snap it on, flip the lid, and pour out cereal, nuts, or coffee like it came from a container. No spills, no stale snacks, and no need for extra jars. They're reusable, dishwasher safe, and a total upgrade for your pantry.